Continuing our Kids Learning Code series, we have a program called Blockly, and it's created by Google. They have some demos that you can do that are kind of like coding puzzles. So I'm going to have my kids do these puzzles, and we'll see how well it goes. For this video, let's focus not just on solving the problem, but on seeing how much children learn and progress in coding through these exercises. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you think your kids will enjoy learning too. So what is this program? This is the Blockly Games Turtle. What does it say? Can you read what it says?
Create a program that's drawing a square.
Yep. So what this is, hit OK. So what this is kind of like Scratch. You see your little coding things, and then up here you have different things you can pop in there. And what you're trying to do is, this is supposed to be your turtle, that circle, and you're supposed to make it go up, over, down, and over.
Okay.
Okay. So it starts out with what? What does this say?
Move
Forward
100 blocks.
Okay, so what do you think that would do? Why don't you hit run program and see what it does now? Okay, so it went up here. It went from here to here. So now what would you have to do if you're right here and you wanted to draw a square?
I don't know.
Well, what options do you have? Turtle options. So what's that one?
Turn right by 90.
What would that do? So attach that to your code and see what it does. It's not attached. You gotta link it up.
It just did this.
Okay, and then what do you need to do? So you're now facing this direction. Now what would you need to do? What do you think that does? Yeah, you did it! So the second program is Blockly Game Turtle 2. So they want you to draw this, a pentagon.
A pentagon, okay.
Okay. Now can you modify the code that you have to draw a pentagon?
It draws like a plus.
If you want, just run that and see what it does. So move forward and then turn 90. Okay, now you're pointed this direction. What Evie did in her last one is she made a loop. So do you want to make a loop so it does it a couple of times? Now move your code in there. Okay, see what that does.
I already know what it
Okay,
does.
that makes your square, right? Now what would happen if you try to change the angle and not 90 degrees? Because if it goes this way...
It goes that, and then that way, and then that way.
Yeah. So the first line was fine, but when it changed the angle, it got the angle wrong. So there's a couple angles you can choose. Okay, now see what that does. Whoa! Uh-oh, what happened?
Oh, I got stuck.
Well, hold on, just look at your code. How many times do you have to turn, and how many times is your loop running?
Oh, I needed 5. I did it!
Yeah.
Congratulations, you solved the letter with 4 lines.
JavaScript, that's the code that you wrote.
That's weird. Are
And this
you
is-
ready for level 3? Okay. There's a new block that allows you to change the color. Draw the yellow star.
Cool.
Where's the new block? Must be colored.
So how do you set the color to yellow?
You tap on the color block. Right now it's on red, so we want to turn it to yellow. There. Okay, so we should put the color block right there.
Well, so one thing, you just hit run and see what it does. So this is basically Aiden's code, so that drew the Pentagon. So now how do we change Aiden's code so that it draws a star?
Maybe we could try moving out some blocks.
Well, I think you have enough blocks because you have your loop right here. I think one of the things that we tried when we moved from a square to a pentagon is we changed the angle that it turns. When it moves, it has to turn angles. So why don't we try that and see what it does? What kind of options do you have here?
1, 45, 72, 90. Should we try 120, 144.
Pick one. What do you think? What do you think you need to do to
The
get
highest number.
the highest number?
Okay.
Good job, Abby.
Next up, it's Aiden's turn. There's a new block that allows you to to lift your pen off the paper when you move. Pen up. Okay.
So what do we have to do?
First, I want to run this thing. It's kind of cool.
What do you think would make it smaller? Read your code and see.
That's the angle. That's too small. That's not yellow, Dad.
Well, this one didn't say it had to be yellow, right?
Yeah, but that line isn't yellow. Pen up.
Now, how would you get from where you are now up to there?
So first we go to turtle. It's called turtle. And then I'm gonna go, wait, no, not, why would I do that? Sorry, but I'm saying bye to you. So, turtle. Move up. It's turtle. Move, and then I'm going to change backward maybe? So first it makes the star. Pen up.
So now you're down here. So did you want to move upward, backward or forward?
Forward. Ah!
You can just change it here, right?
No. Run program. This is harder.
Yeah, it's cool. Each level gets a little bit harder, huh?
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh.
Did you move far enough? Yeah.
Okay, so let's try this. I think I'm missing something though. I think. But I'm not sure if it's gonna work without it. I'll show you if it doesn't work.
Cool.
Yep, it didn't work.
Well, it didn't work, but it's very close.
Oh, wait. By 20. Let's try this. I think I did it.
Yeah!
I knew it!
Good job. You're an expert.
I knew it!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll bring you more ways for kids to learn coding.